Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through the steps on how to contact chat support through the Cash app. So like a lot of different apps, you have to go through some different menus to find this. We're going to launch Cash app. And then once we get to the home screen of Cash app, we're going to click on our little profile icon here in the upper right hand corner. Then from here, you want to scroll down until you find where it says support and click on that. And then whatever you need to contact support about, you can try to find it for yourself in this area. But if you scroll all the way to the bottom, there is an opportunity to contact Cash App through chat. So not surprising, a lot of these different apps make it a little bit more difficult to find a way to actually chat to a person, as they'd prefer you to figure out the issue for yourself. But again, once you get into the support area, what you want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom to find that chat option, and then you can click on that. And from this point, to get in contact with Cash App support, what you want to do is type in this area. And if you have anything that you would like to attach to this message, you can click on this little plus icon. If you would like to add pictures or any other type of file that you would like to send to Cash App, and then they'll get back to you and they'll notify you of new messages as they respond to the support question that you have for them. So I hope this quick tutorial was helpful, going over how you can contact chat through the Cash App. I hope it was helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and consider subscribing for more content in the future.